Hi friends, so today I'm going to show you how to make a value scale landscape. As you can see in my Canvas .apps.chrome, I have a value scale of purple, yellow, green, red, and then a different purple one. So these are some examples I've done in my classes, my other classes. So I'm going to show you very quickly how you can use the color palette to create a landscape using one color. So the first thing I want to do is go to layers and click on the paint bucket to change the background color. I'm going to do this one in blue. So I'm going to pick the lightest shade of blue first for the background, for the sky. Now you can always click on custom after you've picked a color and you'll see the whole color value scale here, but it's a lot harder to pick colors, and the palette has them set for you. We have a light, medium, and dark color. I'm just going to drag this a little bit closer to the white so it's even lighter. Then come over to my color picker on this side and grab that light color again, the same blue. Use my marker, and I'm going to start with mountains. Now you can draw anything you want for your landscape. Maybe your landscape only has trees, right? Maybe your landscape only has trees. I'm going to do this pretty quickly though. And remember, mountains aren't always shaped perfectly like triangles. So if you make a mistake, it's okay, right? It's okay. All right, so now that I have this light color, I'm going to switch to the medium blue. So I'm going up and down on this vertical scale, picking this medium blue, and I'm going to draw some hills. Yeah, like the foothills for the Colorado Rockies. Yay. All right, so there's my hills. Perfect. And then I'm going to pick the darkest color blue, same line, right? I didn't jump over here. I'm picking on the same color value scale. And then I'll add this darker color right here in the front. Pretty. That is so pretty. All right. So now that you've added your four colors, I have the light sky, and it's even light. It's a little bit darker for the mountains, a little bit darker for the hills, and then the grass in the front. I can start using the pen tool to add details like trees. I could add a big tree, and just remember that the branches on like evergreen trees always point down, right? The evergreen tree branches always point down. If you are thinking about making um, a deciduous tree, right, that kind of looks like the letter Y. Okay, if you're thinking about a deciduous tree, let me go ahead and color this in real quick. Let's just go like this, okay? Then one thing you can do to make the leaves on the tree look really fun and fancy is by clicking on the chalk, and then you can just scribble as much as you want with the chalk, and then it'll give it, like, the more you layer, it'll have those darker areas, and this will look super fun for your tree. Right? There's my tree looking all happy and fun. And there you go. Super fast and simple way to create a landscape. Can't wait to see what you create. Get creative.